Okay, boys and girls, and we are live. Today we're going to be working on addition and subtraction worksheets. What you're going to have to do is, when you look at each problem, you're going to have to look to see is there a plus sign or is there a subtraction sign. If there's a plus sign, that means we're putting things together. If there's a subtraction sign, that means we are taking away. I'm going to write my name, today's date. Okay, and I'm going to show my work using bubbles. So let's go ahead and zoom in. I'm going to zoom in so that you can see this really good. Here we go. Nice. All right. So here we have a 7 and a 3. What symbol do you see here, boys and girls? Plus. What did the plus mean? Put things together. So I'm going to put how many bubbles first? 7. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And since I'm putting things together, am I going to take away or add more?
Add more.
How many more am I going to add?
3.
1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to do what?
Put them together.
I got to put them together. Thank you for saying that. And then I need to do what?
Count them.
And now I need to count them. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A 10 looks like this, a 1 and a 0. Give yourself a faraway high five. Nice work. Let's do the next one. We have a 5. We have a 1. What are we going to have to do on this one?
Subtract.
Subtract, because we have a minus sign, right? Subtracting, what does that mean? Does that mean put things together or take away?
Take away.
We're going to take away. How many bubbles do we want to start with?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, are we going to add one more or take away one?
Take away.
Take away 1 because we got the minus sign. Now we're going to circle what's left over. Let's count how many are left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Faraway high five, everybody. And for those of you at home that are watching this video, I am teaching a kindergarten class. That's right, this is a kindergarten class. I have the smartest class in the world. All right, we have a 7 and a 5. What kind of sign do you see here? Minus sign. So are we going to be putting together or taking away?
Take away.
We're going to be taking away. How many bubbles do I start with? 7. Count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then it says take away 5. So how many do I take away? 5. Take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I'm going to circle what's left over. And how many are left?
2.
1, 2. That's correct. 2. Faraway high five, everybody. Y'all are so smart. Okay, let's keep it going. All right, here I have a 7. I have an 8. Am I adding or subtracting?
Adding.
I'm adding because there's a plus sign. So does that mean we're putting things together or taking away? Putting things together. How many bubbles do I draw first? 7. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Uh-oh. 8, 9. No, we said 7. We got to stop at 7. Now, how many more bubbles am I going to add? 8, because we have an 8 here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we stop right there because we were at the 8. Now I need to put them together. Let's count our whole amount. 1. Whoa, 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 whoa. Counting a little too fast. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. When you're counting faster than I'm actually touching the bubbles, then it's going to lead to the wrong answer, and we don't want to do that. This is not a race. We are trying to be accurate and precise, which means we only count when I touch the bubble. Are we clear? Let's try that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, do you notice when I do these problems and they're up and down, I always put the answer underneath that line? That line right there is like the same thing as the equal sign. Okay, next problem. We've got 5 more to go. We have a 7, we have a 1. Are we going to be adding or taking away? How do we know we're taking away? Yeah, there's a minus sign. How many am I going to start with? 7. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what am I going to do? Add 1 or take away 1? Take away 1. I'm going to circle my leftovers. That's called the difference. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. Here we go. We have a 3 and a 1. Am I adding or taking away?
Taking away.
Taking away. How do you know?
There's a minus.
There's a minus sign. How many am I going to start with? 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many am I going to take away? 1.
And there's 2.
1, 2 left over. Nice. We have three left here, okay? We're almost done, boys and girls. We're almost done. And then you're going to get to try to do this at your table. Oh, here's a big one. We got a 9 and we've got a 9. Are we going to be adding or taking away? It's a plus sign, so we're going to be adding. So we're putting things together. We're going to start with how many? 9. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woo! Ran out of room there. There we go. Okay, and then it says add how many more? 9. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Not 10. Remember, we're just going to 9. Now we're going to put things together. Now I'm going to teach you a little shortcut here. I already know that I have 9 here, so instead of counting each bubble, I'm just going to go 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's my little shortcut. Okay, we have 2 more left, boys and girls. 2 more. And then we are done. 8 and a 2. Are we adding or taking away? I can't hear you. We're adding. How do you know we're adding? There's the plus sign. How many am I going to start with? 8. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll stop there. And then am I going to add 2 or take away 2? Add 2. 1, 2. I'm going to put them together. We're going to use my little shortcut trick. I already know there's 8 bubbles here, and I know how to count on. So I'm going to go 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Last one. 3 and a 9. Am I taking away or putting things together? Say it louder, please. Putting things together. So we're adding. I'm going to start with how many? How many am I going to start with? 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then how many am I going to add? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll stop there. I'm going to put them together. Now, since I know how to count on from any number, I'm going to use my shortcut. So I know that's 3. I'm going to say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And there you have it, boys and girls. Wow, you are so smart. Give yourself a faraway high five. Now give yourself a high five to the head like this. Whoa, not a real one, not a real one. Okay, boys and girls, let's get to work.